how do we institute a disbarment complaint? Sabi dito, proceedings for the disbarment, suspension, or discipline of lawyers may be commenced by Supreme Court mismo. Pag na-observe ng Supreme Court na laganap na yung pambabastos mo, laganap na yung pagiging conduct unbecoming mo of a lawyer, the Supreme Court on its own initiative may take action. Or, pwede ring ang IBP mismo, upon the filing of a verified complaint by the Board of Governors of the IBP, ang IBP mismo ang magfa-file ng disbarment complaint laban sa abogado. Or pwede ring private person or any person for that matter. Pwede siyang mag-file ng disbarment complaint against sa abogado either directly before the Supreme Court or before the IBP. Contents of the complaint, it's not your concern anymore, no? Ang nakalagay lang dito, the complaint shall be verified. Tapos, it must clearly and concisely state the acts and omissions complained of and shall be supported by affidavits of the witnesses and such other documents in support thereof. So, verified meaning it must be accompanied po by a sworn statement by the complainant na he or she, no, is swearing before an officer of the court na yung lahat ng sinasabi niya pawang totoo lamang, kasi it will give credibility po to the complaint pag verified. And if found out po, no, na false din yung mga allegations ng isang complainant, that the complainant can be subjected to perjury po, which is a criminal case. Yan po ang purpose and kaya nire-require na verified yung complaint. Petition for disbarment, for example, tapos merong ina-attach po na verification or sworn statement ang tawag doon. Affidavit lang yan, no? Affidavit ng complainant na he or she is swearing before an administering officer that all the allegations contained in his petition are true and correct to the best of his knowledge or based on authentic documents.